Hi again, everyone. So, today I'm gonna make a special Mughlai dish. Usually, it is prepared out of a whole chicken, but I'm gonna take just the breast. We'll take 2 tablespoons of curd with cumin and black pepper, which is powdered, red chilli or paprika powder, ginger garlic paste, half a lemon, some chaat masala if you don't have rock salt, and garam masala. This is around 500 grams of chicken breast. So I'm just gonna wipe it and dab clean. We don't want any moisture on the breast. So I'm just gonna dab it clean, cut some gashes so that the masala is filled in properly. And for this I'm gonna mix up all the ingredients mentioned before and marinate it, gradually coating evenly the layer of marinade all over the chicken breast. And then we are gonna leave this inside. I'm gonna keep it in refrigerator for 3 to 4 hours. Now for the dry spices, I have taken some khaskhas or poppy seeds, star anise, cardamom, cinnamon stick, just a little, and about 2 cloves. I like to slightly roast my spices before grinding it, that way all the flavor and texture would be maintained. Along with this, I have kept some soaked cashews in hand, so about half a cup of that, some coriander, just 1 green chili, and about half a cup of curd again. Cashews are such an important ingredient, especially in Mughlai dishes. It gives you a very nice creamy base texture. So let's just roast the dry spices right now and be careful not to burn it. So keeping it on a very low flame, I'm gonna keep stirring in between until it's slightly golden brown and releases all those beautiful aromas. And then we are going to make a very fine smooth paste out of this and just grind it up with cashews. Here in the jar I had already previously powdered the cumin seeds and black peppers, so I'm just gonna add on to this. This would be about 1 teaspoon. You can add more if you want. So in goes our dry spices. And along with this, I'm gonna toss in our soaked cashews. Let's just put 1 chili, green chili, and blend this. This is the paste that we have got after grinding right now. And I'm gonna use a bigger jar so that I can pop in all these 3 beautiful ingredients to form a great paste, which is gonna be the base of our gravy. So just a handful of coriander leaves. We don't want to make the paste too green. Along with it goes in our half cup of curd, and we are gonna finely blend this. Remember, this has to be the consistency, a smooth texture which is more or less like a creamy texture. It's been few hours and all our ingredients are ready now, be it the marinade, some onions, tomatoes, and of course a marinated chicken. So first, let's begin with the chicken marinade. We need to fry this. So I'm gonna put a pan and pour in some oil. And once it's hot, I'm gonna keep each breast piece slowly and look how it is sizzling. Wow, just can't wait. Using up all the remaining marinade to coat upon the chicken breast. After all, nothing good should be left behind. And I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on a low flame, and then we are gonna flip this over. So let's just cover with the lid and allow it to cook. While the chicken is getting ready, let's just begin with some oil and toss in some onions and saute them well. Also, don't forget to flip your chicken over, else you are gonna end up having a very bad chicken day, whatever. So just ensure you have flipped it over, and let's just cover this for another 3 to 4 minutes and get back on to check your onions. Okay, so they are nice and golden, and we're gonna toss in the remaining finely chopped tomatoes and saute them well. Once this is done, we're gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of paprika red chili powder. I'm using Kashmiri chili powder just for the color. In goes the coriander powder, and mix. and we're gonna just evenly coat this and allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes more. So now that the tomatoes and onions look sauteed, let's add in coriander leaves. Don't forget to add this, it's gonna enhance the flavors. So after this comes in our grounded paste of cashews and corianders and curd, and we're gonna allow this to cook even further. You could also add few drops of food color. I prefer not to, so which is why I have switched it with Kashmiri chili powder. And here it is. This is our secret ingredient to a nice thick mixture. I have grated some boiled eggs into this. This is gonna be one royal curry, trust me. So in goes the chicken breast, and we are gonna allow only the breast and we're not gonna put the gravy right now. So in goes the breast and with the marinade. Let us just cover this and cook for further 5 minutes. Wow, the aroma right now is insignificant. I mean, it's just so beautiful. You can have it as is, but I'm gonna add some more water and gravy to this mixture so that we have a thick curry which can be served with parathas or naans. So here goes the remaining chicken stock, and I'm gonna add a little bit more of water. This is the point where you have to check for the seasoning, whether or not all your spices and the required taste and salt is in place. If not, you could add it at this point of time. It's been a few minutes and let's just open. Look at that sizzle. Oh my god. This curry is definitely something you gotta try. It is a pretty long recipe, no doubt, but once you have made it, you could dine in like an emperor, you know. So I'm gonna just brown in some onions, which is a mandatory thing. Just for garnishing, I have taken some brown onions, 2 boiled eggs, and some coriander. Now that our gravy is ready, let's just start off with the garnishing. Brown onions are such a thing, you should definitely try them. Even with biryanis, it tastes amazing. So you can serve this with some naans, rotis or rice, and you are gonna comment in the section below about how your experience was with this. Hoping you guys enjoyed this recipe as much as I did making it. Do like, share and comment. Bye, see you again soon.